Have you ever wondered how uPVC pipes are actually made in the factories, from the basic raw powder to the final product, the pipe that is installed in our buildings and the construction sites? Today, I am going to show you the complete process, step by step, live on the machine. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we will see how uPVC pipes are made in the real time. The process by which the uPVC pipes are made is called extrusion process, and the machine that is used to make these pipes is called extrusion machine or simply the extruder. PVC pipe production starts with the raw material. The blend is prepared in the mixer where uPVC resin is mixed with other essential additives to form the blend. In the mixer, the blend is heated and mixed at more than 100 degrees centigrade temperature for around 20 minutes for its uniform formulation in the mixer, and then brought here in the tub where it is automatically pulled in the hopper of the machine, as you can see. This is the main 55 kilowatt motor to run the machine, which is connected to the gearbox through a shaft to shift the energy to the gearbox and then to the screw. This is the rear view of the machine. This is the heart of the process, the extruder. So we can see an extrusion machine of Jewel company, and it is its main control panel through which we can set the temperatures and the pressures. We can see here in white background the set temperatures, and in teal color background the current temperatures of the machine in the real time. As we can see, there is a screw barrel assembly and heaters and thermocouples are attached. Here the raw materials is melted in a screw barrel assembly. This is actually a twin screw machine, and stage wise heating is done here and the melting of the material is carried out. Fans are attached to control any overheating, and if too much heating is caused, it is cooled down by the water circulating around the barrel. So now this is the die which controls the diameter, wall thickness and the size of the pipe. Different dies for different size of pipes. Thermocouples and heaters are also attached, as can be seen in the video. All of the thermocouples and heaters are attached to the main control panel of the machine. Here we can see the pipe is formed, but it is soft. It needs to be hardened, so it enters in the vacuum calibration sleeve of the vacuum tank where it will be cooled down and the diameter will be maintained. This is the vacuum tank. Showers to cool down the pipe. In this vacuum calibration tank, the water is recycled. Once the water comes in the contact with the hot pipe, it is cooled down the pipe, but the water temperature rises. So it is sent to the cooling tower for cooling through these pumps and reuse and recycle again and again. This is the marking which is applied on pipe through a laser printing. All of the dimensional details, that is size, class and other details like shift time and manufacturing standard, each and everything is being printed on the pipe. This is the haul-off mechanism where the pipe is pulled continuously at the constant speed to control pipe's wall thickness. We can adjust its speed to control the wall thickness of the pipe. As you can see here, 1.61 meter per minute is the present speed, but too much pulling can cause other dimensional defects like stresses can be remained in the pipe, so its testing will not be cleared. The pipe is being pulled continuously. So this is the final step, the cutting. This will cut the pipe at desired length, that is usually 4 meter. We can see the set and the current length on the panel. Once the desired length is achieved, it will cut down automatically. This is the cutter. Cutting mechanism apply grip on the pipe from the front and the back side for smooth and plain cutting. Once the desired length is achieved, the pipe is cut down and the cutter is brought back to its initial position. Now we will see the pipe will be dropped on the stand automatically. This is temporary stock of pipes. So that is how uPVC pipes are made in the factories. So this is how uPVC pipes are made from the basic raw materials to the final product. I hope you guys find this information to be useful. If you do, consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button and share this information with your friends and the colleagues.